Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new product in, and Sensei 3-in-1 wireless charger with modern design. Can charge 3 devices at the same time, includes Type USB-C cable. So if you've got an iPhone or a wireless charging compatible device, you can charge your phone, you can charge your earbuds and your Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. And that's it, pretty simple there. Specifications there on the back: DC9 2A, output per phone 5 to 7 to 10 watts max, watch 2 watts and AirPod 3. So that's pretty much it there. So let's have a look and see what's in the package, and we'll put it together, test it out and come back and see what it's all about and if it works. So we have our charging cable in the back provided, which is USB-A, USB-C, which is good. Simple here. This is what it looks like. Here is where you slap it all together, and here is our 2 pieces here. So 1 and 1. So that looks pretty cool. It's a matte finish, which is really nice, and it's got Sensei branding there. You can see all your sockets here, your pins for connection, your charging area for your earbuds here, and of course you've got some rubber stoppers on the bottom, and it's a bit rubberized up on the top there as well. So it's a solid enough build, and that's basically it there. So that's it. We'll stick it together and we'll connect it up and show you how it works and all that kind of stuff. And there's our USB-C port there, and that's the way it goes in, I think. So that'll be that way, yeah. So I prefer the earbuds up front, but however, it's actually not a bad idea at the back. So this will just slot in here. That's it there, job is done. So let's get it powered up and put our devices on it and see how it works exactly. I'll be back after this break. So this is it connected up now, and that's what it's going to look like there. Now I must add as well, the top is magnetized for your watch. So you'll put your watch on there and it starts charging. You put your phone up here like so. You see this LED turn from red to blue, and you will also see on the back that the earphones are charging as well. So just to show you the watch, we'll pop this on here. It has to just sit right on it. I'll show you this way. You can see there now it's charging there. And finally we'll pop on the iPhone. And there you go, it's charging there now as well, as you can see. So that's all 3 devices charging together, as you can see, which is pretty cool. So this is for someone that doesn't want cables and doesn't want a mess. So you'd rather than have 3 separate cables. And with the Apple Watch, you know, you have to have the special port or the special connector. And something similar like we have carrying is for our Apple Watch, which you can bring with you for charging. Now this is a cool little device, and that's it there. And even though the iPhone has a hump on the back, as you can see, the 13 Pro, it still works and it's fine. And I also have a protector on this as well, but it will still charge your device and no problem at all. And as you can see, everything else is working perfectly fine there. So that's about it, and check it out. We'll leave a link where you can pick it up. We'll talk to you in the next video. So that's the 3-in-1 Sensei wireless charging kit.